Okay, you guys, this is Leah, and I'm about to prank Jerica right now. Jerica's in the shower right now, and this is my mom's room, excuse me, but I'm about to put baby powder on her ceiling fan. And when she turns her ceiling fan on, it's gonna blow baby powder everywhere. So, let's go. All we're waiting for now is for Jerica to get out of the shower, excuse my hair, so we can see the finished product. See you later when she gets out of the shower. Bye. So you guys, Jerica just came out of the shower and I'm in her closet right now. And she's about to turn. She's gonna turn her light on in a minute. Hopefully you guys can see. When she turns her light on, you can see the baby powder go everywhere. So, be back.
Leo, really?
Baby powder everywhere. Happy birthday. Baby powder over
What did
here.
you put on there?
Baby powder over there. Baby powder everywhere. Happy birthday.
Ma, you cut my nap on? Ma'am. No, when I walked up in here, my nap was on. Leo.